Namaste, Vanakkam, welcome to Curry Conversations. I am Shyam.
I'm Vijay.
Today we have a special episode of Curry Conversation where we're going to discuss about Cloud Kitchen, the new, exciting and trending topic in this world right now during the COVID time. Chef Vijay, who's an expert in Cloud Kitchen, has worked with many organizations before in the same manner. So Vijay, what is a Cloud Kitchen?
A cloud kitchen is just a kitchen by itself, which is meant for delivering the food through an aggregator. So it's a home delivery concept. Cloud kitchen, which is the trend now, every food business want to venture into a cloud kitchen and plan it. So it is just a satellite kitchen or a kitchen by itself where it does not have a restaurant. So the restaurant part of the usual restaurant doesn't exist where the guest seating and all happens. So it is primarily a kitchen. So the reason why a lot of people are talking about it and trying to go for it due to the pandemic is because due to pandemic, people are not stepping out of their houses. They are not coming out and eating in restaurants for the reason they want to maintain social distance. And then you have these limitations of wearing a mask and multiple other things.
Okay, Chef. What are the advantages of Cloud Kitchen?
The advantages of having a cloud kitchen is, first of all, it is less expensive just for the reason it doesn't have the restaurant component of it. It is just a kitchen by itself. And the second thing, that's the reason the investment is less, wherein you save your manpower cost and other things. And it is one kitchen which can create a lot more food, and it is primarily multiple brands can operate from the single kitchen.
So basically investment is low.
Yes.
Right? Infrastructure requirement is low because there is no restaurant, and manpower requirement is also low because you need to operate only the kitchen.
Yeah.
And that is the reason why a lot of chefs and lot of home cooks are venturing into it, is it?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, chef, what are the steps, what are the process involved in setting up a cloud kitchen?
There are a lot of steps involved in setting up a cloud kitchen. The first thing is identifying the location, which is very important. We need to identify a right location which has a good potential of customers within a radius of 4 to 5 kilometers. So then it's worth setting up the kitchen, which will be low on rentals. So that is the first thing. And the second thing is identify the cuisine. So you need to do a competition survey and find out who are your other competitors and what kind of a food are they selling. So depending on that, you have to plan your menu. And then tie up with an aggregator it will be convenient for you also to come and pick up the food and deliver to the nearby areas. So after identifying the aggregator, the next step should be our marketing. So how do we make our brand visible to our customers, either through the app or through other sources, other media sources?
Okay, so it looks like the setup cost will be the highest cost investment and followed by the marketing. I think marketing will play a key role in this entire thing. So how much will it roughly cost to do a setup of cloud kitchen?
See, for a decent size of a cloud kitchen, it should be around 6 to 8 lakhs.
Okay. Suppose I want to do something very petty, very petty. I want to just do idli, sambar, chutney. So how much? For that, I don't think it will cost so much, is it?
Yeah. See, to do just one product and a small brand, I think you can spend close to around 3 lakhs, and the space that you require would be around 10 feet by 10 feet, 100, 120 square feet, not beyond that.
Okay, this seems to be very interesting. For any queries, can somebody get in touch with you?
Of course, Shyam. We can always help people. We can handhold them and help them in setting up their kitchen, helping them with the menu and guide them how to create a successful catering formula.
Sure. If they want any queries, can they write to us?
Of course, we have our curryconversation@gmail.com. This is our email ID. Please do write to us. We will get back to you.
Okay, if you need any support or guidance with regard to Cloud Kitchen, we are there for you. Write to us at curryconversation@gmail.com. Share.
Catch it.